Welcome to Orbit Sentinel, my submission for the showcase track. Every merge request, or simply MR, hides unknown risk, leading to hours of manual dependency tracing and repeated failures. Orbit Sentinel solved this by building a digital twin using all four query types, mapping blast radius, dependency chains, history, and pipeline risk automatically. This was the setup page, and let's start with the overview page. On the overview page, we can see the several info currently in demo mode, MR analyzer, recommended action, orbit evidence, also the digital twin graph, which is currently in demo mode. Let's come back to the MR analyzer. This can analyze your MR in real time. Let's run the analyze live button. Behind the scenes, the Vercel frontend requires our render engine to query the GitLab Orbit API using all four query types. If Orbit is offline, it falls back to the graph-based parsing. As you can see, the analysis done, the data in the all app and all the pages is changed from demo data to real data. For example, the recommended action, orbit evidence, and the number of nodes and other numbers in the digital twin graph is come from real-time analysis. Let's go to the next page. In our prediction tracker, we track actual post-merge outcome over a 7-day survival window to continuously calibrate the model, showing input like prediction scorecard, prediction versus actual trend graph, and at the bottom there is closed-loop ROI calculator, which dynamically calculates the exact hours and incidence cost saved. And at the bottom, there is prediction confusion matrix, which dynamically maps every verified MR, showing exactly how the model learns with every outcome. Now, let's go to the next page. In this live graph page, which uses BFS traversal algorithm, we can visualize the blast radius of MR. By adjusting the depth slider in the left sidebar, we can increase the search depth of MR, and also we can directly interact with the nodes to get meaningful information. Also, there we provide an impact summary which provides meaningful information like service affected, files changed, and etc. This was the graph page, and let's move to the next page. Risk investigation page, which explains why this MR is safe or not to deploy. While traditional CI only tells you if the code compiled, Orbis Sentinel validates our dependency graph and pipeline history and provide a safe to deploy verdict. Also, why Orbit approved this MR and recommended action. This forecast page predicts MR's future pipeline timeline, outcome prediction, what if scenarios, forecast confidence, and also engineering futures if nothing changes and if recommended actions are followed, also the orbit delta. This history page checks our repository memory using traversal queries. It compares current change against past merges and incidents, showing what the model has learned, counterfactual learning, and orbit memory verdict. Finally, the report page compiles all findings of MR into a structured summary with rollback strategies and metadata. Orbit UI supports light mode also, and it's fully mobile responsive. So, at the end, finally, with Orbit Sentinel, we don't just predict code, we predict consequences. Thank you.